Hello! If you are looking to protect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 that it's easy to install, then you definitely want to hear about this flexible, lightweight case. I will show you how to put it on your watch and tell you everything you need to know. The box included instruction and a case. So when I got my new watch recently, I knew right away that I needed to protect its screen, but also I knew how easily the body of the watch can scratch. It was a little bit difficult to install this case, so I needed to ask my husband for help. You can see that bag has a cut up on side pieces, and that's what helps you to put this case on a watch. But once you put it on, the case stays on a watch and fits very snug and tight. So this case has a sleek design, and I got mine in a black matte finish, which has a modern and stylish look and looks very good with my black bands. I also love that it does not interfere with wireless charging. And I love that I can use this case with my glass protection for the screen. Overall, it's excellent fit and it's great protection case for my Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching!